Hello friends, in this video, we will introduce the characteristics of white tattoo paper. Tattoo paper is a stick that can attach to the body. It is simple and convenient to use without pain, and it can stock for several days without obvious damage to the skin. Therefore, it is easier to be accepted by everyone than traditional tattoos, and it is also convenient to change pattern frequently. The traditional tattoo paper have a fixed standard pattern, and it cannot freely make patterns. Our tattoo paper is blank. We can personalize the production of tattoo paper with patterns through a printer. At present, our tattoo paper color have transparent, white, gold, silver, and luminous color. Today, we are going to focus on white tattoo paper. The white tattoo paper won't reveal the original color of the skin when it is passed on the skin. Compared with the transparent tattoo paper, the overall pattern is more vivid and beautiful. Okay, let's show how to operate. Print an image on A paper in mirror mode. The gloss and smooth side is the printed side. Remove the backing of the B and attach B to A paper. Use a scraper to scrape out the air bubble. Cut around your image by scissors. We need to pay attention to cut clear the white background and peel off the clear film. Attach the image face on the skin. You can press it for a while to make the image fully contact the skin. Press the tattoo with wet tissue. Slide the back paper off slowly when it is completely wet. This is white, this is transparent. As you see, the white tattoo paper can fill the white parts of the pattern, such as tooth. For a dark skin or light color image, it also perfectly displays the color you want. Note: avoid friction with clothing and accessories for 30 minutes after transferring. Thanks for your listening.